Can you imagine a party who are ruling the central government? Can they do like this? Can they behave like this? Even I must say that when judiciary is not there, when election commission is biased, when government of India wants only one party rule, then how the people will get justice? It is the same for everyone. The wrong message is going to the world that you cannot fight democratically. All you are capturing forcefully. And narrative and negative, you have enough money. Betting management. So, we will bounce back. We will fight it out. We only want to request you, don't show us, but please see that atrocities is stopped. It should be our request to all of you.